Know Your Customer is the process of a business verifying the identity. The proposed solution allows you to prevent fraud and work only with verified users. Together with Mercurio and SumSub, we provide a 100% AML KYC compliant cryptocurrency purchase service. Mercurio fiat to cryptocurrency rails take care of everything: compliance, liquidity, payments. It can handle transactions, brokerage exchanges, KYC, AML verification, and transfers to or from traditional banking platforms. How does the KYC procedure work? It is performed in 2 stages: document verification and biometric checks. To complete the procedure, customers need to record a short video of their face, take a picture of a passport, and wait for confirmation. Cryptocurrency projects like exchanges or wallets integrated with SumSub can benefit from the Mercurio and SumSub solution, as it creates a smooth and seamless user flow. The Share Token system allows us to check partner databases for user identity, and it passes over Mercurio's KYC procedure. This way, users don't have to verify their identities manually on the Mercurio side and undergo KYC twice. We are making fiat on Ramps Gateway easier, and the world's leading crypto platforms already use Mercurio fiat to crypto rails. Focus on business growth rather than wallowing in minor technical procedures. Join us on Mercurio.io.